Hi everyone, it's Jenny Alice here, and today I'm really excited to run through the new NANLITE PavoTubes. So both of these PavoTubes at the moment are being controlled through the NANLITE app. So I'm just going to go onto the app now and just walk you through a few of the different effects that you can use the app for with these lights. So I've got my own scene set up for these two Pavos, and I've called it Pavos. Now, one of the great things about the app as well is you can also just turn it off if you want to by just pressing the light bulb. So I can turn them both off and back on when I'm using them. So this is great if you set up all your lights in the scene and then you don't waste battery until you're ready to go. You can just go in the app and pop them back on. All right, that's off, so we'll turn them back on. Okay, so I'm gonna go in to the app itself, onto the PavoTube. Now, at the moment, I'm on the pixel effect, but I'm just gonna run through the CCT mode first. So CCT mode in general is just going from 2700 Kelvin to 7500 Kelvin with these PavoTubes. So I'm just going, at the moment it's at 5600. The one on the left or the right, whichever side this camera is on. So I moved it down to 2700. So it's a nice warm kind of color, light. And then I can move it all the way up to a really cold 7500 Kelvin. Now, a great thing about this as well is you can change the green and the magenta, which is also really good when you're on set, if you want to change your light. So a little bit more of a green, and then a little bit more of a magenta. And again, obviously, you can just adjust the dim, so it's just going to be super bright there. So I'm going to move that back to I tend to have it at 5600 if I'm filming inside, but again, it depends what you're filming and what it's for. So with the HSI, it has a color wheel, so you can just go all around the color wheel and pick out which color you want. And you can also go in and pick your exact color hue if you have something in mind. Or another great feature which I love is you can take a photo. Say the model or someone that you're working with wants the purple on your phone case, or they want to match something in the scene. All you have to do is go into the camera icon on the app. As you can see at the moment, I have a reflector underneath here just to bounce some nice light on my face. But I also have a yellow bit of tape, which I can match the color to. So I'm just gonna take a quick photo of that. I can just click done, and then the light behind me is now the same color as the tape. That's a really cool little feature as well. Then we're gonna go out of HSI and we're gonna go into the effect mode, which these PavoTubes are great for in general. So we're gonna go in there, and now there are loads of different effects that you can use depending on the kind of vibe that you want. But we've got paparazzi, storm. I do like the disco one. Or the one that I do like, it's a police car. So yeah, so you can go through there, but obviously it's just down to what you're filming. Say if you do want to do a police car scene, you've got it there. And then we're going to go into the pixel effect. This is my favorite effect. I'll be honest, I just really like it. I like the way that it changes color. It's great for music videos and things like that. Now, when you're doing things like this, you can also create your own preset. So you can save whichever ones you like the most, and you can just click the little heart icon and then add the name of your preset. I actually have a preset already somewhere hiding. Let me see. Oh, there we go, preset. And I've called it video for this video. I'm just gonna enter it, and then they're both going to be matching. So that's just in terms of the speed of the light is the same on both sides. I don't think I changed much else, but I just like the speed and the way that the lights merge together. So I created my own preset for that. And another great feature of the app is you can actually group all of the lights together so that they work simultaneously. These PavoTubes came in a pack of 4. So on the app, I've got the 2 together as a group, and I can adjust the settings so that they'll both change at the same time. So I'll change it from pixel effects to HSI and change them both to blue, cyan, and then maybe I'll change them to an orange. But I can control them both at the same time through the app as a group, which is really great as well when you're on set, because you can just adjust all of them at once without having to individually obviously go in and change them. So that's really great as well. And I can change it to CCT, or maybe we'll have a fun effect together and we'll change it to a disco. I'm really excited to take these Pavos out with me on location, but for now, I hope that you've enjoyed seeing some of the cool effects that you can do with the app as well. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a cheeky thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to NANLITE's YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.